Welcome to the channel. This is Vince Nguyen, your local real estate broker here in Beaverton, Oregon. And today we're touring this 2009 built house, 1,994 square feet, sitting on 0.1 acre of property here, and a two-car garage. This is a former model home with high-end finishes and exceptional detail throughout, including the coveted ceilings, crown moldings, hardwood floors, wainscoting, recessed lighting. We're sitting with 9-foot ceilings on both levels, providing abundant light and a luxurious feel. Coming here into the kitchen, we have a gorgeous open kitchen with slab granite, custom cabinetry. We have built-in microwave, built-in dishwasher, disposal, freestanding refrigerator, freestanding gas range, gas appliances, and a built-in buffet. This is a two-story house with the first level being 836 square feet and the upper level 1,158 square feet. As mentioned, this is a two-car garage. What I really like about this house is all of the moldings that you see. A couple of the bedroom details here include the fact that they are 13 by 9, 11 by 9, or 11 by 10. As you can see, full carpentry across the entire upper floor. Some of the extra details you might have noticed is the wallpapers on these walls. You have great views of the streets. Coming into the master bedroom suite, this will impress you with covered ceilings, towering arch picture windows, walk-in closet in a little bit. You'll see spa-like bath with dual vanities, soak-in tubs, tile walk-in showers. And I really like this ceiling. the laundry room. Quite large relative to most. This is 13 by 5. Lots of lighting in this room. Maybe one of my favorites here. Looking on the exterior, we have decks, we have fencing, it's a great patio. There's a sprinkler setup. You have a good yard size. Some arborvitaes for privacies. And just coming to your front door. But, we are ending and getting to the end of this episode. Thank you so much for your time. Subscribe and comment.